Hello students, how are you all? So I hope you are staying at home, not going out, and you're protected in the house, isn't it? Don't go outside. So today also we are going to tell a story. It is about a boy. He is a foolish boy. Foolish means very silly, doing all stupid things, all mistakes, doing all mistakes only. Okay, so what he does in this story we are going to see today. I'm going to read out the story, just listen first. Once there lived a poor boy named Danny. So there was a poor boy, and what is his name? His name was Danny. He was an orphan. Orphan means if anyone doesn't have mother, father, brother, sister or any relatives, is alone, such person is known as orphan. So this boy whose name is Danny is an orphan. He used to work as a servant in the house of Mr. Roy. So he was very poor, he didn't have anyone, he did not have a mother, he did not have father or a brother or sister, anyone he did not have, and he was very poor, isn't it? So he worked as a servant in Mr. Roy's house. Danny was an honest and hard-working boy, but sometimes he did silly mistakes. So this Danny was a very honest boy. Honest means never telling lies, doing all the things which our elders tell us to do. So he was a very honest boy and hard working. He used to do all the work, whatever work Mr. Roy used to tell him, he used to do it without any complaint. But what he used to do, sometimes he did silly mistakes. Small mistakes he used to do. We also do mistakes sometimes, isn't it? So this boy also, he is very small, he is a poor boy, he is an orphan, and he worked in the house of Mr. Roy, but he was a very honest and hard-working boy. Once Mr. Roy was getting his home painted so that his home looks more beautiful. So what happened? One day Mr. Roy called some people to paint his house. You know what is painting the house? If you want your house to look beautiful, what we do? We call the painter and make them paint the house. So Mr. Roy also called the painter and told him to paint his house to look beautiful. Some days later, Mrs. Roy told Danny to dress up her little daughter Rosie for a party so that she looks beautiful. So after some days, what happened? Mrs. Roy, she told Danny to dress up, to make the little daughter ready. And what is the daughter's name? Rosie. So Mrs. Roy told that Danny to make that little girl Rosie ready and make her look beautiful for the party. So what he did? Foolish Danny painted the face of Rosie. So what did this boy do? He was foolish, isn't it? He was doing all mistakes, small mistakes, silly mistakes he used to do, isn't it? So what he did? He thought painting her face is good, it will make her look beautiful. Why? Because Mr. Roy had painted his house to look beautiful, isn't it? So this boy, he was very small, he was always doing silly things, so he thought that I will paint the face of that girl Rosie so that she will look beautiful. The other day, Mr. Roy gave an envelope to Danny and asked him to post it into a letter box. So what happened? Next day, Mr. Roy gave an envelope. Envelope means cover, which is posted and it goes to the person whosoever we send. So he gave one envelope to Danny and asked him to post it in the letter box. You all have seen a letter box. It will be red in color. It will be locked and there is a small hole there and you have to post the letter. Put the letter into that box through that hole. So this small boy Danny did not know this. So what he did? Danny came back after 2 hours and told his master that the post box was locked. So what he did? He went to the post to post the letter, and after 2 hours he came back home. But did he do the work? No. He said that the post box was locked, so he did not post the envelope. What we have to do? The post box will be locked, but we have to post the letter through a small opening on the box. That Danny did not know. So he was waiting for 2 hours and at last he came back and told Mr. Roy that it was locked, so he could not post the letter. Like this, Mr. and Mrs. Roy were always upset with Danny. So all small silly mistakes he used to do like this. So every time Mr. and Mrs. Roy were very upset with Danny. One day, Mr. Roy gave Danny a bottle of hair oil and asked him to oil his hair every day. So one day what Mr. Roy did, he gave Danny a small bottle of hair oil and told him to put oil on his hair every day. Danny kept that bottle in his room. So what did Danny do? He took the bottle and kept in his room. The next morning he opened the bottle and poured the liquid in his hair. So what did he do next morning? He told, okay, Mr. Roy gave me hair oil to apply on my hair, so I'm going to apply oil. So what he did, he opened the bottle and just poured. What you have to do, you have to take the oil into your hand, into your palm, and then rub it in your hair. But what this boy did, he was foolish, isn't it? So what he did, he took the bottle, opened it and poured all the liquid on his hair directly. That liquid was not hair oil but gum. What happened? That was not hair oil. What was it? It was gum. You know what is gum? You use for pasting the paper. If you are torn the paper, you use the gum. Actually, gum was also kept there in the same kind of bottle. So what happened? The gum bottle was also same, looking same like the hair oil bottle. So Danny did not see that. Instead of hair oil, what he did? He took the gum bottle and put it on his hair. After some time, Danny's hair got stuck badly and he started crying. So what happened? It was not oil, it was gum. So what happened? His hair stuck it. Stuck means joined together. All the hair, they stuck together and he started crying. He went to Mr. Roy and told him the whole story. So he went to Mr. Roy and told him the whole story. What is the story? That he took the bottle and put on his hair thinking that it was hair oil, but it was not hair oil, it was the gum bottle. Mr. Roy smelled his hair and started laughing loudly. So what did Mr. Roy do? He smelled it. He smelled the hair. He could smell it that it was gum, not the hair oil, and he started laughing loudly. He told him that this was gum, not hair oil. So he told, this is not hair oil, this is the gum. Mr. Roy then took Danny to the barber's shop and got his head shaved off. So what happened? The gum, you can't remove the gum from your hair, isn't it? If you put the shampoo also, if you have shampoo and head bath also, the gum will not go away. So what he did, he took to the barber shop and got his head shaved off. So all the hair was removed. Danny got a lesson. So Danny got a lesson that he promised to himself that everyone that he will always be careful and alert while doing work. So now what he did, he promised himself and told everyone that he will be very careful and very alert while doing any work. He was saying he won't be any foolish, he will be careful, and while doing any work, whatever is given to him, he will be careful. So what is the lesson, moral in the story? That whatever work we do, we should be careful, and while we are doing any work, we should be alert. Alert means whether we are doing the work correctly or not, whether it is correct, what work is given to us is correct or not. We have to be careful while doing that. Okay, so now I will read the story once. Once there lived a poor boy named Danny. He was an orphan. He used to work as a servant in the house of Mr. Roy. Danny was an honest and a hard-working boy, but sometimes he did silly mistakes. Once, Mr. Roy was getting his home painted so that his home looks more beautiful. Some days later, Mrs. Roy told Danny to dress up her little daughter, Rosie, for a party so that she looks beautiful. Foolish Danny painted the face of Rosie. The other day, Mr. Roy gave an envelope to Danny and asked him to post it into a letter box. Danny came back after 2 hours and told his master that the post box was locked. Like this, Mr. and Mrs. Roy were always upset with Danny. One day, Mr. Roy gave Danny a bottle of hair oil and asked him to oil his hair every day. Danny kept the bottle in his room. The next morning, he opened the bottle and poured the liquid in his hair. That liquid was not hair oil but gum. Actually, gum was also kept there in the same kind of bottle. After some time, Danny's hair got stuck badly and he started crying. He went to Mr. Roy and told him the whole story. Mr. Roy smelled his hair and started laughing loudly. He told him that this was gum, not hair oil. Mr. Roy then took Danny to the barber shop and got his head shaved off. Danny got a lesson. He promised to himself and everyone that he will always be careful and alert while doing work. Okay, did you understand the story? So, what you have to do again? You have to tell the story in your own words, not reading the story. You have to tell it in your own words, and we are going to select the best ones and send you the certificates. Okay, that's all for today. Bye.